The sands of time have run out, son of Duratan. The cries of war echo upon the winds. The remnants of the past scar the land. Which is besieged once again by conflict. Heroes arise to challenge fate and lead their brethren to battle. As mortal armies rush blindly towards their doom, the burning shadow comes to consume us all. You must rally the Horde and lead your people to their destinies. Seek me out.
Nightmare was that?
It was not a nightmare, young war chief, but a vision. Follow me, and I will reveal what your future holds.
I don't know what this is all about, but I'll play along. Lokrigar Nogal.
Excellent. You seem eager to be on your way. However, you must first learn how to give orders to Thrall. Try ordering Thrall to move down the path towards the nearby banner. To do this, click the Move button in the bottom right corner of your screen and then click on the banner. Skillfully done. However, the orc encampment is still far off. In order to reach the next banner, scroll the screen to the... Very good. The path to the next banner leads through a black area. This black area represents... Notice how the black area shrinks as Thrall moves through it. This reflects areas you have explored. Select Thrall and order him to move to the banner in the middle of the encampment.
Dabu. For honor. Dabu. Loktar, my warriors. We are yours to command, War Chief.
Now that your troops are all selected, order them to move to the next banner.
For honor. Dabu. For honor. Prepare yourselves. I sense a knoll ahead.
To order Thrall's forces to defeat this foul creature, Select all of your troops, click on the attack button, and then...
This was only a scout, but the Gnoll's camp lies just ahead.
Order your troops to perform an aggressive attack move into the enemy encampment. To do this, select all of your troops, click the attack button, and then left-click on the ground in the middle of the Gnoll camp.
Yes.
Good job. Notice that Thrall gained a level from the experience that he earned in combat. Only heroes can acquire experience, allowing them to become incredibly powerful over time. Heroes gain a hero point whenever they advance in level. These points can be used to acquire new abilities or to improve previously learned ones. To spend Thrall's hero point, select him and click on the Hero Abilities button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Whenever you click on the hero ability,
The spirits are restless. Yes.
For honor, we've discovered a group of Murloc raiders in the nearby river.
the Murlocs would make excellent targets for your new Chain Lightning spell. To have Thrall use his new ability, click on the Chain Lightning. Some monsters drop treasure when they are defeated. Treasure chests hold powerful magic items. This particular treasure chest contained a useful potion of mana. Notice that the potion now occupies one of Thrall's inventory slots near the bottom middle of your screen. Potions of mana can be used to replenish a hero's mana, the magic energies that allow the casting of spells such as Chain Lightning.
For honor. Dabu. Yes. Dabu.
The wolf howl signifies that night has begun.
Be wary, my warriors. Don't let nightfall dull your senses. Honor. Dabu. For honor. Yes. For honor. Yes. Dabu. For honor. Yes. Yes. For honor. An ogre. We'd have a fierce battle on our hands if the beast weren't sleeping. Yes. For honor. Yes. For honor. Dabu. For honor. Dabu. Yes. Dabu. A golem. Watch yourselves, my brethren. Those creatures do not sleep at night. For honor. Yes. None will survive. Dabu.
Excellent! Thrall has found a magic ring. Rings are very useful because they provide a constant passive benefit as long as they are carried.
Look, Naros!
Dabu. For honor. Dabu. Dabu. For honor. Forest trolls. I still can't believe they were ever a part of the Horde. Yes.
Very good. That treasure chest held a magic tome that can be used to give Thrall a permanent benefit.
For honor. Yes. For honor. Dabu. For honor. Yes. Dabu. For honor.
Greetings, son of Duratan. I knew you'd find your way.
It was you I saw in the vision. Who are you? How do you know me?
I know many things, young war chief, about you and your people. My identity at this time is unimportant. What is important is that you rally your people and leave these shores immediately.
Leave? What's this all about, human?
Human? I left my humanity behind long ago. I am something different now. Know that I have seen the future and beheld the great burning shadow that is coming to consume this world. You sense it as well, don't you?
The demons are returning.
Yes, and only by leading your people across the sea to the distant lands of Kalimdor will you have a chance to stand against them.
But how can we—
I will answer all of your questions in time, young war chief. For now, rally your warriors and prepare to leave this land. We will speak again.
None of this makes sense. But the spirits tell me that I should trust him.